Hi and welcome to this tutorial of setting up Loom. In our previous recording we set up these 4 extensions from Google Web Store, and now we're going to check how Loom works. So first we click on Loom, we sign in with Google. Now for me this always Google Chrome asks if I want to be translated. I can always go and change the language. We agree. Now Loom was asking what are we doing it, because we are in an education institute. It says are you in education. We're not going to be enabling this right now. As a teacher or student, we are now a Loom Pro subscription, so we have now options to start recording. So right now I go on top of the Loom. I need to give one-click access, so Loom is allowed to use my microphone and camera. And now we are ready to start using. Let's just quickly look at the different setups. There is a full desktop. Now you can see me on the screen as well. And the microphone audio. We can also go to just screen only, or we can go to cam only, which would be just then this beautiful camera. Hi everybody. So these are the 3 choices that we have. We can move our camera position where we want it to be, and in our options we can see what is our camera. Do we want to flip, and also do we have screen only, control menu, and recording countdown. So these are the way how we can start recording in Loom. Thanks for watching.